There's nothing quite like gardening. The feeling of caring for plants, then reaping their benefits, improved air quality, and enjoying organic fruits or vegetables. But up until now, there hasn't been an easy way of optimizing growth at home. Introducing Bloom, the wirelessly connected gardening sensors designed to make your life easier. Insert Hydro's corrosion-resistant legs into the soil at the root, and you're now monitoring this plant's water needs. Core connects to all of your Bloom modules so that you can monitor them from anywhere. An inbuilt light lets you know your plant's state at a glance. This blue light means it's time to water. No light means your plants are in their optimal state. Let's add a few more modules to cover every plant. One core supports up to 25 Bloom modules, but if you want even more, you can simply add another core. Hydro modules are weather sealed and temperature resistant. Snap a picture of each plant and name them with our intuitive web interface that can be accessed anywhere in the world. The plant page lists every plant's current condition, and you can check individual watering history. It looks like Lisa needs to be watered. Frank's soil is oversaturated with water, so let's drain the pot. Georgie is also a little dry. After allowing half an hour for the metrics to update, all of the plants are back to their optimal conditions. In our busy lives, we can forget to check on our plants. A gentle reminder of cool glowing will let you know that it's time to water, and you'll get push notifications if you neglect them for too long. With all of our greenery connected, we can optimise growth and potential. Bloom, keeping your plants happy, keeping you happy. Order your bundle today for early support.